In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een. Siratal ladhina an'amta 'alayhim ghayril maghdubi 'alayhim waladdallin.
When we're talking about religious freedom and international religious freedom, what I believe is a powerful signal that we send around the world by saying that we are going to create a position and to have someone that works around the world to protect the religious freedom of every single human and all of their faiths, or even if they don't have them.
That we might give witness to your goodness. And as we show your goodness in us, we can discover that goodness in each other.
Jew, Christian, Muslim, Buddhist, Baha'i, Zoroastrian would become our brother, our sister.
Bhavatu sabba mangalam rakhantu sabba devata sabba sanghanubhavena sada sotti bhavantu te. This loving friendliness discourse. May all beings be happy and secure. May all beings have a happy mind.
Should learn from each other. When I say all civilization, no matter long or short in terms of history, cannot be divided into the good and the bad, and thus should not be regarded as a reason of conflict.
And are we equal in the eyes of God? And are we equal in every society, in every country? We have seen some victims, differences. We need to respect them. We need to protect the faith of other people. We need to respect the faith of other people.
I believe that we are one big human family. And that makes us a community, our family, a community. And whether we are Christians or Jews or Hindus or Sikhs or Buddhists, we are one big family.